After a long time of waiting, we finally got our hands on the AltericNote by Itochu Japan. And we must say we were widely disappointed. It's a very standard device, it's very plain, and it has no real standout features. It just utilizes the base model Linfany shells and doesn't really do anything to make it their own. It uses a standard Wacom pen, it only comes in one color, and there's no glow light or audio. Aside from the device body itself, the company refuses to do business with anyone when it comes to B2C sales, which means business to consumer. Their entire business model is aimed at businesses and businesses only. They have zero plans or desire of any kind to sell to the actual customer. In fact, their business is so extreme and relentless that they grill you as to why you are wanting to do coverage of their products. In fact, we ourselves here at Good EREADER got a copyright takedown strike on YouTube for simply talking about their company. We must say this style of business will not take you far in the industry, as they're refusing to play with anyone and everyone around them. Stay tuned for more.